everyone. Today I'll be practicing my opening again. I had to cut down about 7 seconds of it, and we also had a slight theme change, so this is the revised version. May it please the court, opposing counsel, members of the jury. My name is Amishi Amit, and I, along with my co-counsel, represent the defendant, Connie McLeod, in tonight's proceedings. Reasonable doubt is not just a legal concept. Tonight, it takes the form of an actual person, Robin Locksley. Please listen closely for this name. But before we go any further, let me simply explain what happened. On the night of October 30th, 2024, someone broke into Ruffed Grouse High School. They smashed through concrete flooring in a basement room and uncovered a time capsule that was buried there in 1905. That's the extent of it. Now, there is no record of what was ever placed in this time capsule. No photographs, no videos, not even a written record. Yet the prosecution just came up here trying to convince you that the necklace in question was in the time capsule. We know this isn't true because that necklace was a gift to my client, Connie McLeod, from her grandmother before she began college. So why are we here today? Well, based on a suggestion by a person named Robin Locksley, there's that name again, the police searched my client's dorm room and found the very necklace that my client's grandmother had given her. Now, Robin had motive to try and frame my client for this crime because they were in a direct competition for a single spot in a college honor society. The charge the prosecution is bringing against my client is grand larceny. This charge has 4 elements. 1, that my client took a necklace. 2, that the necklace was owned by someone else. 3rd, that the taking was unlawful. And 4th, that my client took the necklace with the intent to deprive it from its owner. Now, the prosecution has the duty of proving all 4 of these elements beyond a reasonable doubt. Members of the jury, this is the highest burden in our legal system. Now, you just heard from the prosecution. They came up here trying to spin a tale of rivalry, revenge, theft, but it was Robin Locksley with that rivalry. Robin Locksley wanted the revenge, and Robin Locksley committed the theft. Additionally, at the end of today's trial, the prosecution will fail to meet their burden. You will be left with reasonable doubt, and it takes the form of an actual person, Robin Locksley. Members of the jury, please listen closely to the testimony provided today. You will hear that the prosecution can't place my client at the crime scene, and that the prosecution can't place the necklace in the time capsule. Today, you will hear from 3 witnesses. First, historian Mandy Montoya, who will tell you about Robin Locksley's obsession with this time capsule and their desire to dig it up on their own. Next, Pledge Master of an Honor Society, Ali Jarovich, will testify under oath that on the night in question, Connie McLeod was not at Ruffed Grouse High School. Lastly, you will hear from my client herself. Connie will take the stand and make it clear that the necklace in question had been a gift from her grandmother. Nothing more. Make no mistake about it. My client is innocent of the charges being brought against her. And at the conclusion of tonight's trial, my co-counsel, Mark Barbarack, will stand before you and review the evidence presented. He will remind you that it was Robin Locksley who had the means, motive, and opportunity to commit this crime, not my client. He will then respectfully ask that you return a verdict in favor of the defense, finding Miss Connie McLeod not guilty of grand larceny. Thank you.